At long last, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. Samsung's most powerful phone yet has arrived, and it's packed with next-level AI features, killer camera upgrades, and a premium design that might just give the iPhone 16 Pro Max a run for its money. But has Samsung done enough to outshine Apple in 2025? Let's dive in. As for the value, Samsung's got a sweet deal. Here's the surprise. Samsung has kept the same pricing as last year, so you're looking at a very similar cost to the previous model. But Samsung isn't just sitting back and relaxing. Right now, they've got a killer deal on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pre-order and you get $50 in credit, a free storage upgrade to 512 gigs, and some seriously high trade-in values for your old phone. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. No deals to speak of, so Samsung is definitely winning on the value front right now. As for the design, Samsung's slimmed it down. When it comes to design, both of these phones screen premium. Both use titanium and matte finishes, but Samsung's got a little edge. Despite having the S Pen inside, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is about 11 grams lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it's slightly thinner, 8.2 millimeters versus 8.3 millimeters. Plus, the battery's bigger, 5,000 versus 4680 mAh, which is impressive given how much Samsung packed into this device. Samsung's also got more color options with 4 base colors plus 3 exclusive online shades. iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're stuck with fewer choices. As for the display, Samsung's brighter and smarter. Both phones feature stunning 6.9-inch displays, but there's a clear difference. Samsung's screen is brighter, 2600 nits versus the iPhone's 2000, and it's got some cool tricks up its sleeve. The S25 Ultra's display is anti-reflective, which reduces glare better than anything Apple's got right now. Plus, Samsung's Pro Scalar Eye boosts brightness and color accuracy for an overall better visual experience. As for the performance, Apple, step aside. Now, here's the shocker. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is officially ahead of the iPhone 16 Pro Max in performance. For the first time in ages, the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the S25 Ultra outpaces Apple's 18 Pro in most categories, including multi-core performance and GPU power. So, if you've been a die-hard Apple fan because of performance, it might be time to reconsider. As for the artificial intelligence, Samsung's got the upper hand. Both Android and iOS are flexing their AI muscles in 2025, but Samsung is leading the way. They've integrated their Gemini Eye deeper into the system, which can do complex tasks like summarizing YouTube videos. On the iPhone, Apple's got some cool tools like writing suggestions and deep Siri integration, but Samsung's AI is proving to be more versatile and advanced right now. As for the camera, Samsung's closing the gap. Camera-wise, both phones shine. The Galaxy S25 Ultra still uses its impressive 200-megapixel main sensor, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max rocks a 48-megapixel sensor. But the big difference is how each phone handles low light and video performance. Samsung's huge upgrade, night video. It's sharper with less noise, bringing it closer to the iPhone's legendary low-light video quality. Samsung's also added the ability to shoot in log mode, so pro users can get raw footage, just like iPhone's Dolby Vision. Plus, Samsung has stepped up its zoom capabilities and added a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens for clearer shots. Moving on to the battery, bigger is better. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a larger battery at 5,000 mAh compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4680 mAh. Thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Samsung's phone could have better battery life than the iPhone this time around. But one downside for both phones, the charging speeds are still pretty slow compared to what other brands are offering. Seriously, we're stuck with those old-school charging speeds when phones from other brands are hitting 90 or 100 watts. So this year, Samsung has made huge strides with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's thinner, lighter, and more powerful than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Plus, the camera and AI features are stepping up their game, and the S25 Ultra is even ahead of Apple in performance. If you're in the market for a flagship phone, Samsung is offering some serious value and tech this year. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the new king of phones, or are you still riding with the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments. Catch you later. Peace out.